Hello guys, I'll teach you to earn money without any joining fees. It's free. Fiverr is a freelancing app where you can buy gigs and sell gigs. In Fiverr, you can sell your gigs at your own choice of price. You can do your work through a laptop or a phone. That's not a problem. And you can charge money as much as you want from your customer, but be legit so that they come to you again. Now let's go through the sign up process. I'll tell you how. On your search engine, search Fiverr and go to their website. There are a lot of options here. You can work as a manager, an artist, and coder. And don't skip the video, we'll come to the sign up. At top right, you'll see the sign up. Log in with your email ID. If you come through my link, you will get 10% off and extra dollars. On right up, click on your DP and click become a seller. Click the green icon that you see on your screen and keep continuing. Fill all the requirements they ask. Just fill the top two and skip the rest. You can link your social media if you want. You need to verify your phone number and email. I guess your email is verified. Just click the phone number to be verified. If you're facing problem in verifying your phone number, just download Hacker Keyboard from Play Store. And on your phone settings, turn off all except your Hacker Keyboard, and it's definitely will work.